In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear all the formatting in the Google Sheets app using your iOS device or your iPhone. So this is my example data, and I have my Sheets app open on my iPhone right here if I wanted to clear out all the formatting that has been applied to this data. This is how I'm going to do it. So first, let's look at our data. We have some formatting, some text that are in a different color. Our text is also not in Arial. We have our header right there, which is filled in black, and our text in white, also in bold. We also have our second row, which is filled with a different color. We have alternating colors, and our last column for this table in bold as well. So if we want everything cleared out, well, not really our data, but the formatting applied to our data, we can simply select that range. There we go. Tap on the first cell, then drag it out like so. Another way for you to select your data would be to just tap on this corner right here to select everything. Let's say you have a big set of data that you want to clear all the formatting, then you can also do this step. But what I'm going to do is to just select that cell, then drag it out. Then go to the format tool here at the top, just tap on it. And here we have our options. So right now we are on the text tab. Right next to it, we have the cell tab. Now to clear our formatting, we're just going to stick to the text right here. If we scroll up, we'll see at the bottom, clear formatting. So if we tap on this one, we would have reset everything. All the text would not be in bold. The colors that are filling those cells will disappear. Also the alternating colors, and also our text would be in the Arial font. So if we tap on clear formatting right here, there you have it. We also have the alignment of our headers back to the left. So once we have done that, we have cleared all the formatting on our data right here. And there you go. That's how easy it is. You can clear your formatting here in the Google Sheets app using your iOS device or your iPhone. Now, if you want to learn more on how to use the Sheets app on your iPhone, I've got a full playlist that I'll be leaving a card to at the top right corner for you to check out. Also, if you need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can also check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.